Hello, hi everyone. This is Sami here from Agronomy Solutions. So after all the tank works, we have come further. Servicing of our machines, that is once 210, which is here. So we have totally now servicing the machines. Machines are getting ready to go to Bangalore. There is a bucket which is getting altered for the quarry work. So this is the world of machineries here. You can just check here. This is the world of Hitachis. So Hitachis will come and get serviced here. Tough job. We have to maintain the machines, operators, then the service boys for the machines. Here is a 140 machine getting greased. You can just check here, grease box on the chain mode. After working for almost 4 to 5 months, the machine is parked here, getting serviced. Again, it's getting ready for more challenges. So this will be going to the quarries to work for the breaker work. It's tough, but still we should move on. Sleepless nights, work is on progress. Planning for next 3 to 4 months to put it in the quarries. So journey of the Hitachis are like this. Keep tuned. Please like our blogs, share our blogs. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment and like. Thank you, one and all. Let's meet on the next blog. Thank you.